Brian from Ruco Real Estate Group.
And we're on day 2 of our 30-day adventure. Today, we're going to show you historic Marblehead.
We hope you enjoy the tour.
Washington Street is the main street of Marblehead, Massachusetts, and is home to some of the country's best preserved historic buildings. Lined with quaint boutiques, galleries, and small cafes, the historic district is one of the most popular attractions for visitors of this small town. The Old Townhouse is a historic townhouse at Townhouse Square that was constructed in 1721 and serves as the town hall on the upper floor and a market on the lower level. Only steps from the harbor, Old Town is a wonderful place to take in some of the most charming historic architecture of New England.
The Jeremiah Lee Mansion is a historic house located at 171 Washington Street. It was built in 1768. The home is now owned and maintained by the Marblehead Museum. It has been fully restored, and tours are available for a small fee.